badgers. Hi, we are here in Tooting today.
Yes.
Can you tell us where we are and why this place is important to you?
Welcome. Tooting is my hometown. This is where I was raised. I've grown up in Tooting, and today is the Tooting Food Festival. So we've come here to have a look at the different cuisines and just kind of soak in all the vibe and energy, positive energy coming our way. Let's go. Where you get the old vinyls, and it's one of my favourite shops and also my daughter's favourite shop because she's into jazz, and we really like coming here to get some old vinyls.
Do you know how long this shop's been here?
Oh, it's been here forever. I don't remember not seeing it. So my childhood too. So there's lots of food, different variety of foods, different halal foods, catering for everyone's needs. So that's what I really love about the Tooting market. It's a popular place. It is our pride and joy of Tooting, and it's part of heritage. And I really enjoy coming here, like bringing my children here, and the vibe, as you can see, it's so energetic.
How does today's market compare to the one you remember when you were a child?
Oh, it was very different, I must say that. Now I see, before it was just like small traders and shopkeepers, and there wasn't really this buzz or this, it wasn't as trendy as what it is. It's like old people used to go to the market, but now, as you can see, it's very young and trendy and hip, and people just want to hang out here. The weekend, it's just full of energy and full of laughter, so it's wonderful to see that.
We've just got instructions.
Oh, is this your favorite pet shop?
Yes. I used to come here when I had a gerbil, so we used to get all the food stuff to the gerbil from here.
This is our favourite place that we go in terms of what we want. So this is where we get our chicken and noodles from.
So I really tasty.